Aluglobus diagonal installation, is it possible? Yes. How we do it? I'll show you now. So we have two-way post, which is the extrusion run into the post, so you can do that as well. This here we have actually with a C-channel application. Some contractors like to do it that way, and some contractors will choose to do the two-way. The two-way you can also sleeve in a 1 1/4 steel insert, so it's nice to know. And we have here a 3x3 aluminum square. The 3x3 heavy duty and the 3x3 light duty. The light duty does not have screw buses, and the heavy duty does have screw buses for base plate if you ran it on the wall. So diagonal, you'll cut your slat and you'll mark the degree that you need, go up against the channel, mark it, cut the degree needed. You put the slat, sleeve it right into the C-channel, you bolt from the back 2 screws, and there you go. Very simple, very easy, very, very smart system. That C-channel will be installed into the square post. We do have covers for the C-channel, covers for the gaps, and we also have caps for the C-channel, which is pretty amazing because you can get a very nice, smooth transition between slat, C-channel, post, right? So this is different degrees, and down here we also added another application. This is a bottom C-channel, so you can catch those slats running. It came out very, very beautiful. This is an install that was done for our sister company probably a couple of months back, so there's some sprinklers, some dirt running, but it does look fantastic. So this is how you do a diagonal. So yes, with Aluglobus system, you can do diagonal. It's very simple and it's very rigid, and that's how it's done. And if you need our engineering side to send you a detail of how it's done, we have detail for every system that we create to make your job easy, to make your designer standpoint, put it into his platform easy, and then your customer can see it on a 3D fine print, but he actually sees what he's gonna really get and not some AI mock-up. Aluglobus, we're here to grow you to the moon with our systems. Aluminum system from patio system, lattice, louver system, insulated system, and to fence, gate, wall cladding, soffits, and much more from aluminum. We are a manufacturer, supplier, not a supplier. Big difference. Aluglobus.